everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save an image as a JPEG file in Paint. Once you've finished editing your image, click the File menu in the top left corner of the Paint window. Next, select Save As to view the available file format. From the list, click JPEG Picture. And as you can see, a Save As window will appear, allowing you to choose where you want to save the file and what you want to name it. Enter a file name, then select your desired save location. Then click Save. Now Paint will convert your image into the JPEG format, which is widely supported and ideal for sharing photos, uploading images to websites, and reducing file size. Keep in mind that JPEG files use compression, so some image quality may be lost compared to formats such as PNG. And that's it. Thanks for watching.